look at your own back, there is a more serious crime being committed every day. Yung lumalabas ng preso nag-hold up, nagkikidnap, tapos bumabalik dyan sa munting lupa. Yung mayayaman na lumalabas dyan, binabayaran. Ngayon, magtanong ako, kasali ka ba doon sa pera? Bakit nakakalabas at nakakapasok? Bakit nakakapasok yung mga babae? Bakit nakakapasok yung magagandang pagkain? Bakit nakakapasok yung baril? Bakit sila nakakaluto ng shabu dyan? You answer for that to the nation. Huwag mong sabihin na pa-red-raid ka lang. No, no, no. Iyong bureau yan. Nandoon ako sa Mindoro, lumabas yung sablayan. Ang iyong penal colony guard, nagbibenta ng shabu, kasali yung preso sa labas. What do you think is happening to this country? I'm the only local official openly talking against drugs. You have the goal to just say now, pinapatay ko yung mga kriminal. Anong ginawa mo sa mga kriminal dito sa Pilipinas? Answer me. Ikaw, abogado ka. You arrested President Arroyo without a warrant of arrest, without a whole departure order. Short of just, you kidnap the person, then you filed a case. But that cannot erase the fact that at the time you committed a very serious crime of arresting a person without legal grounds. Korte lang ang makapag-aresto. You never showed a warrant of arrest. You never showed a whole departure order. Pilipino tayo. Akala ko ba you're talking about democracy? You must account for the sins in public because you're running for senator. And I will go personal sa iyo, sa buhay mo.